place.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Can we go in?
I packed your favorite rice balls, sweetheart.
Yay!
Looks delicious, honey.
Almost ready, kids.
It smells so good, Mom.
Here's the last onigiri.
Yay! Thank you!
Look, a butterfly.
Wow, look at the light!
It's beautiful, honey.
Let's go faster!
There you are. Don't eat it too fast.
It's so good!
She really loves your cooking, dear.
Daddy, look at all the lights!
Yes, they came out just for us.
Look, they are everywhere now!
It's like they came out just for us.
It's time to sleep. Everything is warm and safe.
Did you finish your stew, sweetie?
Yes, it was yummy.
There's pie for dessert. The forest looks like a painting. It's so quiet and peaceful out there.